Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a collection of floral illustrations that all share the same style and visual language. The best part is that the whole process only takes 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to sketch your basic flower shapes. Don't worry about adding details yet, just focus on creating the main outline of each flower. Once you have your base shapes, it's time for step 2. Start adding small dots around the edges of each shape. Try to keep the spacing fairly consistent all the way around. But don't worry about making it perfect. Some flowers only need a single row of dots, while others can have several. If your flower has a center, you can add dots there too, just like I'm doing here. The fun part is that you get to decide where the dots go. On some flowers, I'm only placing them along the top edge, while on others, I'm outlining every petal. There are no strict rules here, just experiment and have fun with it. Now for step 3. Simply connect each dot back to the center using short lines. It's a really simple technique, but it creates a cohesive look across all of your illustrations. In this example, I'm using curved lines, while in the previous flower, I used straight ones. Small changes like this can completely change the overall style. Keep filling each flower by connecting all of the dots to the center. It might look a little strange at first, but trust the process. By the end, you'll have a beautiful set of illustrations that all feel connected. They share the same visual language, which makes them perfect for patterns, surface design greeting cards, or any collection of botanical artwork. And remember, they don't have to be realistic or perfect. These are simple, stylized floral doodles. And that's exactly what makes them so charming. To finish, here's a little exercise. I did using a color palette to turn these doodles into different illustrations. You can use the same idea to create content, patterns, or even products for your own shop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more easy drawing tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.